You know, sometimes I look back and I look at this view here and I'm like, damn, that's wild. Fox body, again Coyote swapped, single turbo, Coyote swap GT500, a twin turbo GT500 in the build process, and a sick Coyote swap Procharged street car. That's also my first car. And there is a Terminator convertible as well, and good old Turdzilla. Crazy cars. Sometimes I just look and I'm like, that's crazy. Anyways, starting off the video, what is going on, guys? We are taking OG out, the Procharged Coyote swap. This is my high school car, first car I ever bought. I love driving it. I drive it so much off camera. It's an awesome street car, 93 octane. We're gonna take it out to a meet tonight. We're gonna pick up my friend Radon and have some fun. See what's going on down there in the Mexico. Black GT500, kind of just waiting on some little odds and ends to come in, some wiring supplies and whatnot, but does run. Figured out a lot of so many little problems that kind of just arise when doing that stuff. Fox body, we got so many awesome parts for that. Some cool stuff from our friend Bruce. I'll show that more later, but these are looking sweet. I got a timing cover coming in. The Fox body is going to look badass. Ultimate headers right there. There is a pile of parts going together for this thing. We really got the Coyote swap recipe kind of down, and I kind of think of it in this way, and you see a lot of other channels. Boosted Boys, for example, they get super comfortable with K swaps. They do them to every car. Cleus McFarlane, LS swaps, they did them to like pretty much every car, and that's kind of how I feel about these Coyote swaps, because they're great and awesome. I mean, that's it. Got a little cold start going. Gotta love it. Hit that like button, hit the notification bell, because I know a lot of you guys don't get video notifications on the main page, so hopefully you can get the notifications that way. Let's head out, let's pick up Radon and head over to the meet. Wow, look at this service.
Dude, pizza and windshield at the same time?
No way, bro.
Here, hold on, let me grab the pizza so it makes it even.
Good old Radon. Oh man,
look, full service now.
Look at this guy. Pizza. And the windshield. My man.
Yes, sir.
What's up, dog?
What's up, dog? We're in a fast car now. I like it.
There's gonna be some fun races?
Yeah.
Alright. Mexico should be fun.
Mexico's gonna be real fun tonight.
Have you told the people about your car? Is that a secret still?
No. It's well, we got rid of all the carbon. Andrew kind of forced my hand here in a bit to go boost.
I'm a bad influence.
Terrible influence. This guy. Right there. Terrible influence.
Whoa. Oh, there it goes. There it goes.
Bad influence, this guy. Yeah, he tells me to go boost, and well, we go boost. Oh,
well,
freaking
you
boost.
You were gonna go nitrous.
Yeah.
Oh, by the way, your nitrous kit got sold to Jimmy, right?
Yeah.
Now it got sold to Dylan.
No way.
Yeah, because it's just everyone's too afraid of nitrous. So
it was kind of iffy for me, man. I don't know. I kind of wanted to just go boost, and
it's gonna be fun.
Settle it all out.
Yeah,
but
like next week
we'll hear some cool noises like this one.
Oh yeah.
Golly, scared everybody over there.
Oh yeah.
Had the old guy going crazy.
All right, let's roll.
Let's roll.
We missed it. Some dude was just like freaking out. He said it's $70,000.
$70,000 new edge right here. I love it.
Sounds about right.
That was a $70,000 pull right there.
I love this thing.
Dude, this thing is rowdy.
Oh yeah.
Holy cow.
He's a ripper.
This thing's a ripper. ripper, dude.
Yeah, we were roasting the tires. Even in third, it started spinning too.
Oh my god, dude.
There it is.
Okay, you got me in the car. I think I'm bad juju.
You're close on top end though.
Dude. We're in Mexico.
Yeah.
We're in Mexico here. See some cool cars.
We're gonna tell them that this is a stock 2 valve.
Stock 2 valve. I like that idea. Right there. I should put right there. Fuck it.
Steering. Look right here. Got the car posted up. Some cars rolling in. Heard there's some racing going on with this twin turbo S550 on a tire. Lots of fun stuff. Hellcat tire also slammed. All them Supras.
Not that, it's just loud.
Bro, do you have an SR Performance sticker?
I do. I'll be ready.
SR Performance cold air intake? That's all it's got, right? Hey man, Radon said we need a race, but he said slow. He's got to drive.
This thing's slow.
I brought my slow car, so you're good.
Oh dude, I got gapped by a Prius earlier. It was crazy.
See, I got my slow car. You remember that one? Saw the tail lights.
I've already been gapped by that one a few times.
What, man? Race him again.
What? Just to get gapped again?
Mm-hmm. Well, you got a new clutch in it. Shout out Vengeance.
That's it. I got the same one.
I need one of those hoodies.
Yeah, I need a hoodie.
Oh, yeah.
I need a hoodie, bro.
Yeah, bro. There it is.
I need one of them hoodies, man. No cap.
That's it. All right, so a little 50 roll action.
Oh my god, I'm gonna get gapped. Why not?
It's just a stock 2 valve. Gotta get redemption for El Chapo. We raced this in the slow version of El Chapo. I'll put those clips in here. Getting talked into bad things. John thinks I have it.
Maybe, dude.
I don't think you understand how slow my car is.
I've seen this run. I think it's gonna be close. It's gonna be real close.
It's not very fast.
You're not giving yourself enough credit. I think it'll be close.
M122 blower.
We'll see.
It's pretty slow.
I think it'll be close.
I guess whatever. We'll see what happens. My slow ass GT500 that everyone thinks makes 1300.
Good idea.
And it makes 500.
Good idea.
Bad idea. Oh boy. Procharged C7. Next in. Right there, over. Are you ready? Yeah. Ready?
Good stuff.
Fuck yeah, bro. Woo! We were spinning like a mofo.
Spinning like a mofo. That top end, baby. That Coyote. That was good.
Yeah, that was fucking sick.
That was
dude.
good.
Fucking real
You
close.
bang them gears, baby. Let's go.
Yeah, I know lifted third and fourth.
I heard it.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, I heard that.
Yeah, second gear I let it do a few taps on the
Oh, of
limiter.
course. You gotta pull a little K-Series Honda in there.
That's it right there. Not bad.
Not bad. That wasn't a bad run.
No,
We
I
spun
banged,
like a motherfucker.
I banged the out of third.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Bro, it's always fun banging gears.
Oh my god.
There's nothing that fucking beats it.
Nothing that beats it, dog.
All right, Sean, come on,
Sean.
baby. Where you at? Oh man, working the bumper brakes.
Working them right now.
Those brakes are not meant for that. Bro, this thing yanks in fourth gear. Top end. Oh yeah. It's no fun ride. Them brakes need a workout.
Hey, Brad has something to do with it.
Brad, get the toolbox, bud. That rotor's gonna be warped as a mother. Bro, these are the front brakes off the Fox body.
Oh my god. I think we're busting a U-turn. That's the brakes, guys. I don't know if you can see it.
Yeah, not bad.
I did better than you. How much did you weigh?
So my other car, the Vert, is 3460. Higher end. 1,
Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They'll deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go.